peeps, welcome back to the channel. This is your guy Mr. Wise Choice, and you are watching the Wise Choice channel. Your peeps, today I'll be doing a banana nut bread. So I'll show you how Mr. Wise Choice do it, Yaad man style. Your peeps, so right now I have 3 ripe bananas, as you can see, fully ripe. Two large eggs. Got some walnuts. Will be the nuts that I'll be using. I'll chop them up in smaller particles to put into the cake. Got my baking powder, my baking soda, my vanilla, my browning, my vegetable oil, sea salt, my cane sugar, and my all-purpose flour. And I'll also be adding in a little almond flavoring. Just a touch, you know, give it a nice little taste. Yeah, peeps, I'm going to show you guys how Mr. Wise Choice do it. So I'll be going through the process of how I do it until it's done and slicing it and make you see how my cake comes out. Nice. Yeah, peeps, so just continue watching. I'm going to start to be doing the preparations now. So continue watching, alright? The Wise Choice channel. Yeah, peeps, so as I say, I'm going to start the process now. Normally, you could put the ripe banana in a mixer, a baking mixer, and puree it. But I'm just going to do it in my NutriBullet and just get them soft. And think it's quicker and faster to me. See that, peeps? 1, 2. Yeah, man, just like that, peeps. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, you know? Yeah, peeps, look at that. See it there? Nice. Fully pureed out, peeps. Yeah, peeps, we're going to be adding this now. To my baking tin. Well, I should say the pan that I used to do my baking into. Well, it's a universal stainless steel pan. This very good to do everything, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So banana is in, peeps. So what I'm going to do, peeps, I'm going to put in all liquids first, then I put in the dry ingredients, peeps. Alright? So right now, peeps, I'm going to add in my vanilla. I'm going to add like about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Add in about ½ teaspoon of my almond flavoring. Yeah, just like that, peeps. Oh yeah, peeps, you also can put some cinnamon powder in it too. Yeah, the cinnamon powder. Yeah, peeps, so I'm just going to rub this in now. Now peeps, I'll be adding in half cup. You there? For the half cup of the vegetable oil. Yeah man, rub that in again. Yeah peeps, so I'll be adding in my 2 eggs. Yeah peeps, so I'm not going to rub that in. Nice and smooth again. This is how I do it. Everybody do their thing different. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Got that peeps. Nice and smooth. Smell that banana flavor in already. Wow. It's nice. Yeah peeps, so I'm going to add my 1 cup of the cane sugar. Yeah peeps, 1 cup. Of cane sugar. Yeah peeps, so just going to rub that in now. Well peeps, if you have a mixer, you know. If you have a baking mixer, just use the mixer under all of this. You don't have to do it manually like Mr. Wise Choice. I like to use the things manually, and when it's time to work with the machine, we work with the machine. Yeah peeps, you see that? Yeah man. The banana nut cake coming on peeps. Yeah peeps, look at that. Yeah man, nice. Nice peeps. Alright peeps, so let's continue watching. I'm going to sort out here, so I'll be adding in the dry ingredients peeps to this mixture. And then we'll move on from there. Alright peeps, so keep on watching. Yeah peeps, as I say, we're continuing the process. So this is my oil. My sugar. My vanilla. And the almond flavoring together. Yeah peeps, I'm going to add a little touch. Normally I use like lemon. I currently don't have any lemon right now, so I'm going to use a little, just a little touch. Some of the lime juice. Yeah man, a little touch of the raw juice to get out some of that rawness from the egg and all of that. Assist with that. Yeah, peeps. So that's like about a half teaspoon of the lime juice, or you can always use the melon juice also. Yeah peeps, so right now I've also crushed my walnuts. Crush them fine, you know, because I don't really want any big nuts in the banana cake. So I'm going to be adding these now. Yeah. And as usual, peeps, this is going to be a very nutty banana cake. See that consistency, peeps? Come on, that is what you want, you know? Is what you want. Alright, peeps. So I'll be adding in a half teaspoon of salt. Adding in a teaspoon of baking soda. Then add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Yeah, peeps. So that is half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of baking powder. So your cake can rise. Yeah, peeps. So right now I'll be adding in half teaspoon of the cinnamon powder. Yeah, peeps, cinnamon flavor is strong, so you don't want to overdo it unless you love cinnamon. A whole lot. But cinnamon is good for everybody, know that. Good to get down your sugar levels. So they say, you know. So they say. Yeah, peeps, you know, if you ask if this cake is going nice, cinnamon. Banana nut bread. Mr. Wise Choice style. Yeah, peeps, so now I'll be adding in my flour. So I'll be actually adding in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And it's good to have one of these wooden spoons, peeps. These wooden spoons may be coming back about 20 years. Yeah. From a mom that used to use them. Yeah. She teach me a lot of things, you know. Yeah, man. R.I.P. mommy. Yeah, man. Peeps, cooking and baking is a thing that I love. My passion, peeps. My passion. I just love it. It's not my career point at this time, but maybe one day. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be adding in my next cup of flour. Yeah, peeps, 1 more cup of the all-purpose flour. Once again, you just need that in. Fold it in, peeps. Fold it in. I like doing it manually, you know, peeps, because it's manually, you know, you get to feel, you know, you be with one with the cake, with one with whatever you're cooking or, you know, baking or whatever. You have to be one with the food, you know, man. So the food come out nice, you know. See that now, peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's ready already, you know, peeps. Ready already. Yeah, man. Ready already, peeps. Yeah, man. So we check those things, you know, peeps? Yeah, man. Just like that. Yeah, peeps. So right now I'll be adding in, you know, for a little coloring. Depends on how dark you like a cake or how light. You know, you have to decide what you want. So I'll be adding in a little browning now. But I'm not going to go too hard at first. It's not black cake I'm making, so I don't want it too dark. So I've made that estimate there now. Should be in everything, please. Should be in everything till you get the color that you want. Yeah, peeps. See this color? Don't think it want it any darker than that for banana cake. It's not black cake we're making, alright, peeps? Yeah, man. So that is good now, peeps. So, basically, people, I'll be greasing my tin and putting in the butter, peeps. So, check me out when I'm doing that, peeps. Blessed love. Yeah, peeps. So the banana nut bread butter is all ready to be poured. So I'm gonna baking tin here, all greased up. Use some butter and grease the sides and the bottom of it so the cake does not stick. Alright, peeps, so I'll be pouring out my butter now into my pan. Yeah, peeps. It's going to be a small cake. I should have been doing it in a smaller tin, but I don't have one really available to work with right now. So guess what? I have to work with what I got. You do this to kind of get out any air out of, you know, any air bubble particles within the cake, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so that is it. I'll be baking this. Yeah, peeps, you know, so we're also a neat person. I understand. I'm clean. Yeah, peeps, I'll be baking this at 225 degree F for about an hour until brown and done. That's so mash up a little, you know, banana nut cake, peeps. So Mr. Wise Choice do it, and peeps, please subscribe, share, leave a comment, peeps. Share the friends and family about Wise Choice channel, peeps. And every viewer that is watching this and watch my other videos, I give thanks. I greatly appreciate. I take nothing for granted. We give thanks. Yeah, peeps, I'll be putting in, I've also preheated the oven already. The 325, so peeps, I'll be putting this in the oven now. So when it's finished, I'll make you see what's happening. Alright, peeps? Good. Yeah, peeps, welcome back again. Yeah, man, see it here, all finished. Mr. Wise Choice, banana nut bread. See that, peeps? Wow, pretty. Pan is hot, but have tough fingers, you know, peeps. Yeah, so I'll finish. This is how we do it, peeps. This is how it peeps. So I'm going to make this sit for about an hour and cool down properly. And then I'll cut a slice and make you guys see. Okay, peeps? So just stay tuned. Yeah, my peeps. See it there now? Mr. Wise Choice. Banana nut bread. See that, peeps? Wow, look at that. Nice. Yeah, peeps. So this is how we do it. Yaad man style. Wise Choice style. Yeah, man. So, peeps, thanks for watching once again. Greatly appreciate all my viewers. Thank you very much. And thanks to the Almighty Father God. He give me the health, strength. We can do this and bring out some cooking and baking videos to you guys. So, thanks for watching once again. Alright? Until another time.